Hello students, in this video I'll explain you about that complementary angles. As all the formulas, these all formulas, sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta, sec 90 minus theta cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta sec theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta tan theta. These all formulas I've explained you in my first video of trigonometry. So now you'll just see only how this formula came. And also I'll see in this video that how to solve the numericals, okay, or proving based questions based on the complementary angle. So let's start over here how to find out the formula. Okay, so we'll see here when sin 90 minus theta equals to given cos theta, we'll prove this one how it is equal. Okay, suppose if we'll take a right angle triangle, again we'll take a right angle triangle, it is what ABC, and whose angle B is what here 90 degrees supposed to. So you assume what here, let ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle whose angle B is how much here, 90 degree. Clear, student? Now we'll see here, if you assume what here, let angle ACB is theta. If you assume this angle is theta, you know what here, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is how much, 180 degree, and already it is given what here, angle B is equals to how much here, 90 degree, and angle C is given what here, theta. So angle CAB will be how much, 90 minus theta. Because this angle is given 90, so these two angles sum will be 90, because then only the sum of three angles of the triangle will be how much, 180 degree. So this is theta, then this angle will be coming how much here, 90 minus theta. Now I can what naming these three sides only. This one you assume what x, this is what y, and this one you assume what here z supposed to be. Clear? So now we'll follow here. We'll find out over here that first sine of, I've written what first question, sine of 90 minus theta. So sine of 90 minus theta means which angle? This angle is what, sine of 90 minus theta. So what is sine of 90 minus theta here? Then what, this BC will be what here, perpendicular, and the hypotenuse will be coming what here, AC. So what is BC here? BC is what here, y, and what is AC? AC is coming what here, Z. Similarly, that is given what, sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. So if we'll find out cos theta here, so what is cos theta coming? Cos theta means this angle is theta. If this angle is given theta, then what, BC will be the base, and AC is coming what here, again hypotenuse, and again it is coming what, y by z. So see here in equation 1 and in equation 2, both are what, equal. That is why we are getting sin 90 minus theta, that is equals to coming what, cos theta, from equation 1 and equation 2. This way what, if you'll see here, the value of cos 30 and sin 60's value is same. Value of sin 30 degree and what, cos 60 degree is also what, equal. If you'll see the chart only, okay, value chart. Similarly, if you'll find out third formula is given what, sec 90 minus theta. The sec 90 minus theta, if you'll find out, just check it. Sec 90 minus theta means this angle is 90 minus theta, so this will be the base, this will be the hypotenuse, and sec formula is what, h by b. That means AC is the hypotenuse and what here, AB is the base. So what is AC here? AC is what, Z, and what is AB here? AB is what, x, and that is equals to given what here, cosec theta. So cosec theta you write here. So again what, theta, if you'll assume what here, this angle is theta, then what, this will be what, base, AB is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse, and sec theta formula is what, h by p. So what is h? H is coming what here, AC, and what, AB is the what, perpendicular over here. So what is AC? AC is what, again Z, and this is what, x. So again if you'll see here, if you'll assume this is the third equation and this is what here, fourth equation, we'll get what, from 3 and 4, from equation 3 and 4, equation 3 and 4 will get what here, that sec of 90 minus theta, that is equals to coming what here, cosec theta. So this way we'll verify all the complementary angles formula over here, but you just remember these all formulas so that you can what apply in the solve a proving based question when you solve this one. Clear, student? Now see how to evaluate sine 16 degree by cos 74 degree without using trigonometrical tables. So without using trigonometrical tables, how to evaluate this sine 16 degree by what cos 74 degree. So see here we can apply what complementary angle over here. So how to apply? We know what 74 degree plus 16 degree. If we'll add these two, we'll get what 90 degree. So any one of them, either the numerator or the denominator will convert into 90 minus. You see, student, here two methods. Either if you convert here sine 16 degree, you can write what sine of 90 degree minus 74 degree, because 90 minus 74 is what 16 degree. So that is why instead of 16 degree I have written what here 90 degree minus 74 degree. This is divided by coming what here cos 74. I have converted the numerator here. You can convert the denominator also. If you convert the denominator, then coming what cos 90 minus 16 it will be coming. So any one of them will convert, not both numerator and the denominator at the same time to solve this question. So now we'll see here sine 90 minus theta, that formula you know. What is the sine 90 minus theta formula? That is what cos theta. So you can write what this is coming what cos 74 degree. So that is why you are getting what here sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Theta is what 74 here. And divided by coming what here cos 74 degree. So this way will cancel cos 74, cos 74. The answer will be coming what here 1. This is the first method. And if you will do by this way, then also it is correct. Second method, suppose it is given what sine, again what 16 degree by what here cos 74. So sine 16 degree, directly you write what here cos 90 minus 16, because cos 90 minus theta is what sine theta. That is also correct. So cos 90 minus theta I have written instead of sine theta, and this one I have written what here cos 74 degree. So finally we'll get what here again cos 90 minus 16. Now what 90 minus 16 is coming what 74 degree. So we'll get what cos 74 degree divided by what cos 74 degree. So both the method is correct. That is depend on you which method you choose over here. Okay, dear student, this question is given to prove this one only. Okay, 2 sine by 60 degree by cos 22 degree. Okay, minus 2 tan cot 15 degree by 575 tan 75 degree, and 3 tan 45 tan 20 tan 40 degree tan 50 degree tan 70 degree divided by 5 equals to given proof 1. So how will you convert this one? Part by part we'll solve. First we'll solve this part. Okay, so we'll start with the left hand side. See here 268 sine 68 and what cos 22. So 68 degree plus 22 degree is how much? 90 degree. Any one of them will convert. Okay, so I'll convert here what this numerator only. So sine 68 I'll write here what sine 68. You can write here sine 90 minus 22 degree divided by coming what here cos 22 degree minus again what here we'll see here cot 15 degree and tan 75 given. So I either will convert numerator or denominator, because 15 plus 75 is what 90. So I'll convert again what here the numerator, that is coming what cot of 90 minus 75, because 90 minus 75 is 15 divided by coming what 5 into tan 75. Clear, student? Minus 3. Now here we'll follow here tan 45 value we know, so you write what tan 45 is what 1. Now we'll see here tan 20 and tan 70. We'll write together, because 20 degree plus 70 degree is how much? 90 degree. So any one of them will convert. I'll convert here tan 20 into 90 minus 70. Clear? Similarly, tan 40 degree and tan 50 degree given over here. So 40 degree plus 50 degree is how much? 90 degree. Either will convert 40 degree or will convert what here 50 degree. So I'll convert here what tan 40 degree. It is coming what here tan 90 minus 50. And rest of the part you write here tan 50 degree and tan 70 degree. Clear, student? This whole divided by given what here 5. So after that what will you do here? It is given what here sine 90 minus theta. That formula is what here cos theta. That is what cos 22 degree. Divided by coming what here cos 22 degree minus 2. Cot 90 minus theta is coming what here tan theta, that is coming what here tan 75 degree. Divide by 5 into tan 75 degree. Minus 3. 3 into 1 is what? 3 here. Tan 90 minus theta is coming what? Cot. That is what? Cot 70 degree. Tan 90 minus 50 is coming what here? Cot 50 degree. And into, you write what here? Tan 50 degree. And what? Tan 70 degree. This whole divided by coming what here? 5. So you'll see here, cot first is what? Cos 22, cos 22 will be cancelled. Tan 75 cancel. Here what? Cot 70 and tan 70 will be also cancelled. Because cot is the what? Reciprocal of tan. So cot theta into tan theta is what? 1, you know this formula. Clear? Similarly, tan cot 50 degree and tan 50 degree. Again what? This two will be cancelled because cot theta into tan theta is what? 1. Because cot is the reciprocal of tan theta. So now we'll go to the next part. It is coming with 2 minus 2 by 5 minus, we are getting what here? 3 by 5. So finally we are getting what here? If we'll take 5 is LCM, here what? 2 by 1. So what? 5 to the 10 minus 2 and what? Minus 3. So we'll get what here? 10 minus 5 by 5. That is coming what? 5 by 5. So if we'll cancel, we'll get what? 1. So that is only given what here? Right hand side. This is only given to prove over here. I hope so all of you understood this. Next question is, if A, B and C are the what? Angles of a triangle ABC, prove that tan C plus A by 2 equals to cot B by 2. Student, this type of question is very important for your examination point of view. Okay, so we'll just start over here. How to do this one? When it is given ABC are the 3 angles of the triangle, so clearly you know what? The angle A plus B plus C, this value is how much here? 180 degree. Why? This is the what here? Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. So what is angle sum property of triangle? We know what here? That sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. So now we'll see here. Since here A by 2, C by 2, B by 2 is given over here. So left hand side is given what? A plus C. So we can write or combine A plus C together. And the value of angle B will take what? Right hand side. This coming what? 180 minus B. Now what? Taking half both the side. So if you're taking half both the side, it is coming what? A plus C by 2. And here also what? Half of 180 minus B. So half of 180 minus B is coming what? 180 by 2 is what? 90 degree. Minus coming what here? B by 2. So you can write it is what? A plus C by 2. That is equals to 90 minus B by 2. Clear? This part is very, very important for solving. Now we'll see here, it is given to prove what here? Tan C plus A by 2, that is equals to cot B by 2. Since here given tan theta, so write what here? Taking tan both the side. Taking tan both the side. So if we're taking tan both the side, we'll get what here? Tan of A plus C by 2, that is equals to what here? Tan of 90 minus B by 2. And student, you know what? Tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. So instead of tan 90 minus B by 2, you write what? It is cot of B by 2. So this way we'll prove the given question over here. But student, the same question, it is what coming in a different way also. Suppose the same question is given what? To prove what here? Sine of A plus C by 2 is equals to what here? Cos of B by 2. Then also it is possible to prove. Because till this much it will be same only. And then you write what? Instead of taking tan both the side, you write what? Taking sine both the side in this question. In this question we'll take what? Sine both the side. If you're taking sine both the side here, this kind what is sine of A plus C by 2 is equals to cos sine of 90 minus B by 2. The sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos. That is coming what? Cos B by 2. Suppose instead of A plus C by 2, if it is given to prove what here? Sine of A plus B by 2, that is equals to given what here? Cos C by 2. Then also not any problem. In this case, what will you do? You will change this part over here. I have written that A plus B plus C, that is equals to 180 degree. Now what? Will arrange what? A plus B together here, and C will take in the right hand side. And then we're taking what? Half both the side. So if we're taking half A plus B by 2, it is coming what? Half if we'll take 90 minus coming what here? C by 2. And then again what? We'll take what? Sine both the side. If we're taking sine both the side, we'll get what? A plus B by 2 and is coming what? Sine of 90 minus c by 2. So what is sine 90 minus c by 2? That is what here cos c by 2. So this way, if the question is coming what in the reverse order also, you can what able to solve, but we'll try to understand the technique of this question so that easily you can what solve this question if the question is coming in different ways. Clear? Next question is given what? The sec 2a is equals to cosec a minus 42 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, and find the value of a. Clear, student? To see here how to solve this one. See, it is given in the question what here sec 2a is equals to given what here cosec a minus 42 degree. And 2a is given an acute angle. Acute angle means all of you know 0 to 89 degree, all are what acute angle. Clear? So what will you do here? Sec 2a equals to cosec a minus 42. Either will convert cosec into sec or will convert what sec into what cosec by using complementary angle formula. So how will you convert this one? Suppose I'll convert this sec only. Sec theta's formula is what? Cosec 90 minus theta. So we can write what here? Cosec of 90 minus 2a. And the right hand side is given what here? Cosec of a minus 42 degree. So both the side, left hand side and right hand side is coming what? Cosec. So cosec of this angle equals to cosec of this angle. That means these two angles will be what? Equal. So write what here? 90 degree minus 2a, that is equals to coming what? A minus 42 degree. So if we're taking 42 left hand side, we'll get what here? 90 degree plus 42 degree, and it is coming a plus 2a. We'll get what? 132 degree, that is equals to what? 3a. So the value of a, you are getting what here? 132 degree divided by 3, that is equals to a. So if we'll reduce, we'll get what? 3 4s are 12 and 3 4s are. So the value of a is coming how much here? 44 degree. And 44 degree is the value of a, and if we'll twice of a, if we'll find out 2a, that is coming what? 88 degrees. So 88 degrees is an acute angle, that is only given over here. Clear, student? Now next, suppose the question is given to prove here. It is given to prove here that cos of 1 degree, cos of 2 degree, cos of 3 degree, clear, dot 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 dot, it is given what here? Cos of 180 degree, and it is given to prove this value is what here? That is 0. So now here I'll start proving over here. Left hand side is given what here? Cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, and this way if it is going on, it is coming what here? Cos 89 degree, cos 90 degree, cos 91 degree. This way it is going on, that till what? Cos 180 degree. So we thought what here till 90 degree you know only values only, but you don't know the value of 91 degree, 92 degree, 93 degree. See here, this is only given for confusion whenever this type of question is given. We'll just follow here, between this one cos 90's value is coming over here, and we know what? Cos 90 degrees value is what? 0. And here all the cases given what here? Multiply sign. So if you put cos 90's place 0, so 0 if you multiply by any number, the answer will be what? 0. So the whole answer will be coming what here? 0. That is equals to coming what here? Right hand side. So this way we'll prove over here. Clear, students? So don't be confused if this type of question will be coming in complementary angle. Okay, so you can apply your sense, then only easily can what? Get the answer. Clear, student? Okay, thank you all of you.